the mic is on, so we're good to go.
Main focus is to come up with a bag. Ain't gonna be no slacking, ain't got time for none of that. Put it in their face, it, they already mad. Disappear while I'm stacking, and they be like, where you been? Make sure the liquor brown, drink it all up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Chanté, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, what's up with it? Please be sure to hit that subscription button followed by the notification bell so you are updated when I post new videos weekly. We are doing the Zara Spring Summer Sale haul. I got a couple of items, so let's get right into this. I only got a couple of items like I mentioned, and the first item I want to start with is this black and white dress that I purchased. This is so freaking cute. It's so cute. It has this crochet in the back, and it is not form-fitting. That's what I love the most about it. What I was surprised is that how see-through it is, but ironically, when I had it on in the video, you can't see anything, and I don't have a bra on. So the only thing I would say is probably put pasties on, and then maybe some shorts, or if you do, just do like nude or black underwear, so that way it's not showing through this. But it is really pretty. It fits really nice. The silhouette is awesome. So I think that is great for the summertime, summer, spring. On the beach, you'll be looking really cute. Pair it with some nice sandals, or for some of the girls who like wedges, you can definitely do that and call it a night. You can be on the boardwalk, cute date night, something simple if you're on the pier, watching a movie. It's cool with a little, cardigan on top, make it cute or whatever. That would really go really nicely. Then next, I actually had purchased the white top that you see in the clip that I should have right here. And that is like something that everybody's going crazy for. It is a like blogger, Instagrammer favorite. Okay, so then the next thing is these satin pants. Now all of these items, I haven't worn these. I actually just got this in from Zara because I had exchanged. I had originally wore in the video a size small, and this is an extra small, and these were $49.50. So again, I really didn't work out that sale thing too well. And then these are really wide, and as you can see in the video, they fit really nice. And I got the smaller size because so my waist and my hips really don't work for the people who create clothes. I have a 27-inch waist and 41-inch hips. I love it, but it's whatever. My hip and butt circumference has increased, which I love. It was what I'm working for. But ironically enough, these fit better because the waist will be smaller, so I'm hoping that it doesn't give me any problems on the thigh area. I actually haven't tried these on just yet. I just threw them in my recording room so I can have them ready to do on this haul. And the next things I tried on, I love to try to get the Zara basics. So this is a size medium, and this is $19.90. And this is just their bodysuit that they have. I got it in the nude. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube reviewing about this, and I love the way that it looked on brown skin tone. So I was like, you know what? I really like that. I pair it with these leggings, which I would never do. I would probably wear it with a pair of jeans and maybe like a cropped jean jacket or something like that. A pair of jeans, a cardigan, something like that would make it cute. So these are my leggings, and they have this split at the bottom, so I cannot wait to wear them with heels or something. This is gonna be so cute, and I just love these. I really am like, I was never really like into like leggings and stuff because one, I want a flat stomach, and two, my hips were always so wider when I was younger, so I just always stayed away from wearing leggings and stuff. It was always just like jeans and hoodies, cover me up. But now I really love the way that these made me look, and I just really like them. They fit really good. They were comfortable. I felt comfortable wearing them. So these, I think, are a must of all the things that you buy. The Zara basics and this are like literally a must. And then this black dress is really my favorite. So then after that, I went in and I tried this blue top on, and you can see it has like a high-low situation on it. I love that part, that there's like a little bandeau inside of it, so that way for those of us who don't wear bras, it is perfectly made for us. The ruffles are super cute. Once I will iron this out to make it make a little bit more sense, but I wore it with my blonde wig. Girl, I was looking so cute. and I actually put the blonde wig on myself. It was literally one of the wigs that I got from Amazon. They sent me from Amazon, and I literally put it on and did my thing. So that was what I wore for this, and I just put on some jeans with it, and it was super cute. Then the next thing I got was another white basic, and then I paired it with the skirt that I purchased, but the skirt really wasn't flattering me. Like, it looks like I had a flat butt. It was a little bit too big for me, and I'm really not like into wearing like skirts. I have so many that I still have not yet worn, which I probably will put on my Poshmark. So check my Poshmark. I'll actually leave my Poshmark in the description below. I had just returned them. I was thinking about getting them in a smaller size, and I was like, you know what, cut your losses. But I did love the fact that they were shorts under there. I actually would have preferred if it was just the shorts with the ruffles on the bottom. That would have been really, really cute. High-waisted shorts with the ruffles on the bottom. I would have really loved that a lot more. But, you know, beggars can't be choosers. So I had that going on, and then I think I showed you guys with the cream top and the leggings, I actually bought heels, and those heels fit so comfortably. Like, the arch was perfect, the height was perfect, they fit so comfortably, and those were definitely on sale. I just don't remember how much I paid for them, and I really highly recommend you guys check those out. They were black, so that's really what I liked about it, and they were definitely on sale. So those were the only sale item that I got from the sale, but really happy with the pieces that I got. Sadly, I've been home. I think I went out once, and I've gone home I went home to see my mom and my family last weekend, so that's where I wore that. But I don't go out anywhere. I listen to the law and I stay home. I don't want to be one of those selfish people that are out frolicking and continuing to spread the virus and further hurt other people. So I even get freaked out going to the grocery store. Like, I really don't want to be the person that is the carrier that gets somebody else sick. Like, that would be really sad for me on my whole life. So that's what I think about. So I just stay home. If I do anything, moving forward, it will be with very, very few people who I know who haven't been out there, you know, doing the most. So it's very hard right now. It's a very trying time. Like, I'm praying that what they said was gonna happen doesn't happen, and things just stay like where it's at. Like, we're not great, but we're definitely not spiked up. So I saw a meme actually, and it was like, when there was 1,000 cases, everybody was losing their mind. There's over 1 million, everybody's out at the bar and having parties every other day. So it's like, what's up with us? But, you know, just start saving all this. But definitely love these pieces. Like, most of it, the leggings and the top as well as the shoes, I can definitely wear in the fall time and in the winter. So that's just great. I love when I get things that are transitional. And then the other things, I will just save them for next summer. I'm gonna have a whole summer wardrobe and be freezing in the winter time. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I love buying new things, and especially like when I'm allowing myself to buy things. Trying to stay on a budget here because, you know, your girl does have her own apartment now, and a lot of different other responsibilities going on. So just trying to make sense of everything. But as you guys always know, doing YouTube is one of my favorite things to do that I look forward to doing, and I get upset when I'm actually not able to stick to my calendar because of all my other many jobs. But eventually we will be full-time YouTube, and it will be so much fun to continue to keep growing and doing these things with you and just becoming more creative. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys can go and still grab some of these items if they're still available and still on sale. Things sell extremely quickly. I would also set yourself up to be notified for things, because things go out and then like a day later I get a notification that it's back in stock. So, you know, check that out and you will be all good. So that way you guys can be up on that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was beneficial so you can see what some things look like if you might be around my size. And I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.